You know those little pop-ups that say by using this website you agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, blah, blah, blah. I totally read that. Yeah, those. Well, one of the things they're hiding from you is how much they know about you. And it's not just your IP address, device data, and browser history. It's also your demographics, your location, your shopping habits, your likes and dislikes, even your political views. And it's all thanks to third-party cookies. Now, if you've ever wondered how companies know so much about you, well, wonder no more, because we have an article that breaks it down in simple terms. How do these companies make so much money and profit and grow their businesses so quickly? Well, partly it's because they can collect so much information about you through these third-party cookies. For example, let's say you're a fan of a particular sports team and you like to buy their merchandise from a particular online store. Well, a third-party cookie could be used to track your online activity, and then it would basically tell the company, hey, this person likes this sports team, and they like to buy their stuff from us. So maybe we should send them some targeted ads for team merchandise. Or let's say you're a big fan of a certain band and you buy tickets to see them in concert. Well, third-party cookies could track your activity and then sell your data to companies who might want to send you ads for, say, music streaming services or ticket services or even concert venues. But it's not just your shopping habits and interests that are being tracked. Your political views and beliefs are being tracked as well. For example, let's say you're a conservative and you like to read a particular right-wing news website. Well, a third-party cookie could be used to track your activity, and then it would basically tell the company, hey, this person is conservative, and they like to read this right-wing news website. So maybe we should send them some targeted ads for, say, right-wing merchandise, or maybe even try to influence their political views. And it's not just happening on websites. It's happening on social media platforms as well. For example, let's say you're a fan of a particular political candidate and you like to share their posts on your Facebook feed. Well, Facebook's algorithms could be used to track your activity, and then it would basically tell the company, hey, this person likes this political candidate, so maybe we should show them some targeted ads for that candidate's campaign, or maybe even try to influence their political views. So yeah, that's how these companies know so much about you. And it's not just because of the data that they collect directly from you. It's also because of the data that they collect indirectly from third-party cookies. So if you want to learn more about how to protect yourself from this, we have an article that breaks down some tips and tricks that you can use to keep your data safe. It's linked below,